A few days ago, Samsung finally took the wraps off something we've been waiting on for years, their first ever smartphone with a tri-folding display. Unfortunately though, Samsung didn't actually reveal much about it. No name, no specs, no release date, not even a price tag. And to make things more mysterious, they showcased it inside a glass case, just out of reach, so nobody could get a closer look. Still, that didn't stop people from taking notes, because according to reports from KD, some attendees managed to get a decent idea of the phone's physical details, including its thickness and how visible the creases were. Apparently, Samsung's tri-folding phone measures around 4.2mm when unfolded and between 12mm to 15mm when folded shut. For context, Huawei's Mate X-T Ultimate, currently the only other tri-folding phone on the market, is a bit thicker at 4.8mm when open and 12.8mm when closed. And the best part, those who saw it in person said the creases were barely noticeable. Now, as for when you'll actually be able to buy one, several sources claim that Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy Z Trifold, yes, that seems to be the official name, by the end of 2025, and Google have just confirmed both the name and release date. In the latest version of the Google app, the folks over at Android Authority found a line of code listing devices eligible for Gemini promotions, and one of them was labeled Samsung Trifold 2025. That all but confirms both the name and the release window. Interestingly, the code doesn't include a Z prefix for the Z Trifold, but it doesn't mention Z for the Fold 7 and Flip 7 devices either, so it's safe to assume that Samsung will call its first tri-folding phone the Galaxy Z Trifold and will hit the market towards the end of the year. As for availability, Samsung is reportedly targeting 5 regions for the launch: China, Singapore, South Korea, Taiwan, and the UAE. Unfortunately, there's a good chance the phone won't make it to the US, at least not initially. For now, Samsung is still keeping the rest of the details like specs, features, and pricing under wraps, but given how polished this prototype already looks, it's safe to say the company is taking its time to perfect the experience. We'll probably learn more in the coming days or weeks, especially as development moves into the final stages, so consider subscribing to our channel so you won't miss any new update about the phone. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.